Sean will do a little adjustment on me over there.
Yay!
Of course you did!
Woohoo! Yeah, I told you to. I told her to put it where she could hit it.